piso, haha. See you later, I love you, Mel. Kaya pala pagpiling magbalik ng piso. Ay, Be, thank you!
Ito na, 1 year natin pinagandaan to. Ito ang gift ko sa'yo, sign of how lucky I am that I have you in my life. Alam mo din kung gaano ako kaswerte na kung paano ko nakuha itong gift ko na to sa'yo. Pigilan mo ang laway mo mamaya kasi sure maganda ako. See you soon. Love you.
Okay. Open it. Open it. Ano ba yan?
Be, thank you sa gift. Hindi ko talaga inaasahan ko. Thank you. Love you.
Romel and Edna, you have to remember that there is no such thing as perfect marriage. Since God is only the one who is perfect, and every relationship in life is imperfect, then we have to rely on the perfection of God. Ang pag-ibig ninyo sa isa't isa ay lalo pang titibay kapag umasa kayo sa Diyos na bukal ng lahat ng pag-ibig.
Take a walk in the park, holding hands in the dark, steal a kiss beneath the stars. My heart beat fast as I looked at you, and I could tell yours was racing too. We fell at once and never looked back. My love will never fail you. My arms will always save you. I will make you, I will make you mine. I swear to always fight for us, and I swear no one can touch this love. Oh, I will make you, I will make you mine for always. We got caught
Edna,
in the rain.
bukal ba sa iyong loob ang pagpagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Romel?
Opo, Father.
Hindi pa tapos.
Ay, di ba po ba?
Upang makaisang dibdib si Romel na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
See, I don't
Opo,
believe
Father.
in chance.
Romel, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib itong napakagandang si Edna na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father!
My love will never fail you. My arms will always save you. I will make you, I will make you mine. I swear to always fight for us, and I swear no one can touch this love. Oh, I will make you, I will make you mine. You are all I'd ever need, and you are more
Mel,
than I could.
Sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay ni Edna na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa mga batas at alintutunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father!
Puso mo bang ipagkakalob sa kaniyang iyong sarili bilang asang asawa?
Opo, Father.
nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay mag-asawa?
Opo, Father.
I swear to